I'm in Thailand, continuing to explore its capital, Bangkok. From here, I'll take the southern rail route around the coastline of the Gulf of Thailand. I'll stop in the cultural centre of Phetchaburi before ending at the country's oldest beach resort, Hua Hin. I'm riding the Sky Train, Bangkok's metro system. It's taking me to the Pathum 1 district of the city. With the exception of one or two quite modern roads in and around the city, the only communication is by klongs or canals. And today, the lack of infrastructure remains the city's big problem. The traffic jams are notorious. It's had a mass transit system only since 1999, and it remains underdeveloped for a metropolitan area of 15 million people. But there are great plans. The colossal new Bang Sue Station, the future portal to Bangkok and the gateway to Asia. With an ambition that King Rama V would have approved of, modern Thailand is striving to make up for its transport deficiency with this enormous project. Workers everywhere, and not a moment to spare. And no wonder, Bang Sue is due to open in 2021. Its design is a radical solution to Thailand's transport problems. Layers of tracks and trains on top of each other. Mass transit trains, local trains, national trains, airport trains, international trains, high-speed trains, and people in their thousands scurrying between them by escalator. With 4 levels and 24 platforms, it will be the largest railway station in Southeast Asia. The Prestige project is the high-speed rail on the top level, which will bring the cities of Thailand closer to the capital and link the country with China. My native city of London had a mass transit system about 130 years before Bangkok, and it is now stuck with old infrastructure. The advantage for Bangkok of coming late to the party is that what it builds is of the most modern design and on the scale needed for the 21st century. This will be one of the greatest stations in Asia, and Asia is a continent throbbing with optimism and ambition. I'm leaving frenetic Bangkok for the serenity of the south. Royalty and commoners alike have for generations taken the train to the beautiful beaches and tranquil towns of the Thai peninsula. The map included in my 1913 Bradshaw's Guide shows Phetchaburi, which is 65 miles from Bangkok, and it's the place where the Phetchaburi River enters the Gulf of Siam. And that's where the Malay Peninsula begins, more than 1,100 kilometers long. And in those days, it consisted of British Burma, British Malaya, and the independent Kingdom of Siam. Kings Rama IV and V built palaces at Phetchaburi. So I'll alight there to discover more about the two monarchs who shaped modern Thailand.